Hi, and now in this video we're going to see about the Minikube dashboard. So before starting the class, make sure your Minikube should be in the running status. So let me check. So you can check the status by using the Minikube status, and here you can see everything is running perfectly fine. So now let's start some basic thing about the what Minikube dashboard. As you can see, the name says that dashboard. What does it simply mean? It simply means so there will be a UI, you can manage some kind of things. So it's also the same thing, like Minikube dashboard is nothing but a web-based UI interface which is used to manage the Kubernetes cluster. Okay. So now the thing is how you will use it. So for that we have the command that is Minikube dashboard. And when you hit enter, and automatically the whatever of the default browser which you have, so in our case here we have Firefox, so this Firefox will open and you will come upon on this screen. So here you can see in the dashboard we had so many things, like in our last class we have deployed one pod, or one deployment was there, and we had the 3 replicas of that okay, that containerized application. So here you can see pods are there, replica set is 1, and 1 deployment is running. So here's the workload status and the deployment. You can see the Nginx deployment which we had done, and the 3 pods you can see here, replica sets you can see. So here you will basically get all the information on whatever thing which we have, and you can easily manage the cluster here as well. So here we have different sections, like here we have deployment section. So here you will see the deployment that we have, that is Nginx deployment. And here you can see the age is a day ago, so it means we had done it yesterday. So this is the thing, and now which you will see about the node information. If you need, you will need to search for nodes. So nodes is there somewhere here only. Let me check. Wait, let me go on the home page. Okay, here you can see the cluster. In cluster we have nodes, so we have that Minikube as a single node. Okay, so that's why we had this so many labels and all. Minikube is the node here. Okay. So in this way you can get so many information. Like here you will see about the CPU information, memory information, ports you have, so 12 ports we can, and all those things. So moving forward, if you will see about the ports, so if you will come upon here, like over here you can see service as well. So in this we have not discovered, so we'll not cover right now. So here you can see the services which you had done, that is Nginx deployment. So this is we have. And also if you want to create one or deploy one, would want to do one deployment, so how you can do it, you have to just click on this create button, and here you can do using the YML file, or you will need to write the YML whole thing here. And if you want to do with the file, you can just upload the file. If you want to do with form, you can do with form as well. And if I write the form as engine, what's that? Nginx, okay. And the container image we have Nginx. And here if I do -2 and just deploy it, so you will see when deployment is pending, and it will take some time, and it will, yeah. There you can see, now we have 4 pods, 2 running deployments out there, and 2 replica sets. If you come here below in the pod section, here, you will see all the details. Okay. So this one is the one pod which just created. So because tag is not here, like in our previous class, we had used tag, Nginx, and lattice, so that's why it's like that. So this is all about this today's class. I hope you got to know about something like this, like Minikube dashboard. So that's it for today, and I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you for watching.